Check out this new tour by Shaun J. Parker and his team of experts. For more information, call or text 609-864-4825. No showings prior to Saturday's open house. Welcome to 36 Christopher Mills Road in the highly sought-after Ivy Ridge community of Mount Laurel, where timeless design and modern farmhouse chic finishes come together in a home that is truly move-in ready. A dramatic two-story foyer and soaring family room create an impressive first impression, filled with natural light from oversized windows and skylights, while rich hardwood flooring, crown molding, and custom millwork add warmth and character throughout. The heart of the home is the beautifully updated kitchen, featuring quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a center island, stylish tile backsplash, abundant cabinetry, and an open concept layout that flows seamlessly into the spacious family room, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The formal dining room offers an elegant space for holiday gatherings and special occasions. Upstairs, the spacious primary suite serves as a private retreat with a beautifully updated ensuite bath and generous closet space. 3 additional bedrooms and updated bathrooms provide flexibility for family, guests, nursery space, or a dedicated home office. Thoughtfully updated throughout with neutral designer colors and modern finishes, this home offers the perfect blend of comfort and style. Step outside through the sliding glass doors to a private backyard setting ideal for relaxing, grilling, or entertaining. Complete with a 2-car garage and located just minutes from shopping, dining, major highways, and award-winning schools, this